Solar power production does drop a bit over time, but it's usually not a big deal for most folks using standard solar panels. So here's the deal. Solar panels come with warranties that usually last like 25 years because manufacturers expect them to work well for that long. Over time, panels lose a tiny bit of efficiency each year, kind of like your phone battery holding less charge after a couple years. Typically, this decline is around 0.5% to 1% per year, so after 25 years, you might get about 80% of the original power output. Dirt, dust, and grime on panels can also mess with how much energy you get, so cleaning them every now and then really helps keep things steady. Shade from new trees or buildings popping up nearby can also cut into your solar power, so keep an eye on your surroundings. If you notice much bigger drops in performance, it could be a wiring or inverter problem, so calling a pro is smart. Also, don't forget that technology keeps improving, so if you ever upgrade your system down the line, you'll get more juice from newer panels. One of the biggest mistakes people make about solar power is expecting zero loss in production over time, which is just not realistic. So plan for gradual decline and don't freak out if your bills don't drop as much as year one. Another common issue is ignoring panel maintenance. If you never clean your panels or check for damage, your output can tank way faster than normal wear and tear. The third big problem is poor installation or shading problems that aren't fixed early on. This can seriously hurt how much energy you get and cost you more in repairs later. To fix these, always set realistic expectations about efficiency dropping slightly over the years, schedule regular panel cleanings to keep dirt off, and have a trusted installer assess your site for shade issues before putting panels up. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to solar panel installation and maintenance. Plus, contractors get access to a steady stream of real home improvement jobs, so everyone wins without the usual headaches.